Among the many new features offered by CharacterWorks 2024 is the automatic animated sorting functionality based on external real-time data inputs. The easiest way to set up an automatic sort is to use one of the auto sort presets provided in the animation section of the CharacterWorks library. For a quick and simple demonstration, I will be using a data source that lets us scrape the points of Formula One pilots in real time from the Formula One website. Let's begin by creating the visuals. Creating a new motion, followed by layers via dragging image and text fields from the data source and forming a composition. A quick tip: for name fields, locking the text size and enabling autofit can help with handling of names of varying sizes. Creating a composition by selecting all layers I've created. While not absolutely critical, it is good practice to move the anchor point to a suitable position. Adding our data source to the composition's list of input data sources. The Customizer tab, new in CharacterWorks 2024, contains the attributes and definitions that help us quickly adapt a motion to our own needs. The Auto Sort preset that we are going to import needs a data mapping definition with the name sort to work properly. So we add our input data source in the Data Sources section, and we create a data mapping and enter sort in the name column. As to the data input column, here we need to select the data source field according to which the visuals will be sorted. Examining the data source, we spot two fields that are good candidates for sorting against: position and points. If the position field is known to provide a reliable ordering, then position can be used. Otherwise, points is a very good candidate for the sort field and could possibly allow for more flexibility. Until now, we've had just a single pilot on screen, but we need to visualize several pilots at once. To this end, we will make use of the instancer, a versatile and powerful construct introduced in CharacterWorks 2024. It allows us to dynamically create multiple visuals based on data source input using a set of given layers as a template. Select the composition and choose Instance command from the right-click menu. All drivers and their info will be displayed on screen. Quick and easy. We refer to each set of visuals as an instance. In this case, the number of instances is equal to the rows in the data source. If data source rows are added or removed in real time, the instancer will adapt automatically. The instancer has many important settings, but the layout parameter is crucial for our project. The layout parameter provides a basic controls over automatic placement of visuals on screen. More advanced layouts are possible though. In our case, the animation preset should assume control of the placement, so we select None to disable the instancer's automatic layout. At this stage, all we need to do is to apply the desired animation preset to our composition. The auto sort presets have several variants, where ASC denotes ascending and DSC denotes descending sort. Since we chose points, as the sort field via the data mapping, it makes sense to sort in a descending fashion. Therefore, the correct preset to use is the desk one. Selecting the formula pilot composition under the instancer and applying the Auto Sort Column Desk preset via the right-click menu. During playback, any updates to the data source will be automatically reflected on screen in a nicely animated manner. The Auto Sort Animation preset provides some parameters via the Customize tab. These allow us to make adjustments without having to deal with the inner details of the preset. Let's preview what we have achieved so far. We can observe how the animated autosort preset works by modifying the values in the points column. Simultaneous changes in multiple values do not pose a problem. You may have noticed that, despite changes in ranking, the actual position number displayed does not change. This is because the position field has remained constant since we did not enter the correct position number as we modified the points field manually. Usually, we can expect the external data source to provide a position number that is consistent with the points value, so there won't be a problem. Yet, it is possible that the data source will not provide a position number for the sort field that we would like to use. One possible solution for this issue is provided by CWML, where we let CharacterWorks compute the rank to be displayed for us. As you may recall, the sort field is determined by the data mapping we defined earlier. For consistency, the same field should be used for rank computation. By default, the layer displays the value of the associated data field. To change this to the ranking instead, we need to add a CWML parameter that defines the type of ranking. RankNumDesk designates ranking based on a descending numerical sort, whereas RankNumAsk is ascending. Alphabetical sort is also possible. When we play our motion once more, now we observe that the rankings are displayed correctly. One of the auto-sort variants provided is the N column. This variant is useful where the display items are arranged in multiple columns. In events like song contests where there is a large number of participants, the N column presets may prove to be very useful. Here is the formula pilot composition with the Auto Sort N-column preset applied. By default, the items will be laid out in 2 columns. The Customize tab contains a number of rows parameter, which specifies the maximum number of rows per column. Indirectly, this parameter will determine the effective number of columns. If you want the items to be arranged in a row major fashion instead, you can use the auto sort row variants. New animation presets are added and existing ones improved with each CharacterWorks release. Sample projects in the CW library offer ready-to-use, complete functionality, demonstrating part of the huge array of possibilities afforded by new and old features in CharacterWorks' arsenal. Do not hesitate to contact us with questions or comments.